the topic ethics and social responsibility in tour guiding. It helped me to realize that our tour guiding is not about sharing information but also about practicing responsibility and respect and professionalism. A tour guide represents the destination, the local community, and the culture, which means their behavior and decisions strongly influence tourist perceptions and overall experience. Overall, my learnings in tour guiding is the environmental responsibility is also a significant part of ethical tour guiding. Tour guides help promote sustainable tourism by encouraging responsible actions such as respecting natural attractions, reducing waste, and preserving heritage sites. These practices help ensure that destination can be enjoyed by future generations. In conclusion, my learnings emphasize that ethics and social responsibility are fundamental in tour guiding. A tour guide who practices this principle contributes not only to a positive tourist experience, but also to sustainable tourism development and cultural preservation. I've learned that social responsibility, particularly in handling cultural sensitivity and diversity. Tour guides must be respectful of different backgrounds while also protecting local tradition and values. By educating tourists about proper behavior and cultural norms, guides promote mutual respect and positive interaction between visitor and host communities. One is the most important I've learned is that ethical tour guiding requires honesty and accuracy. A professional tour guide must provide correct and well-researched information to avoid misinformation and misinterpretation of history and culture. Ethical behavior builds trust and credibility, which are essential in